In this video, I'm showing you 5 beginner jump rope skills so you can start adding some style to your jumping and make your workouts a whole lot more fun. Grab your rope and let's do this.
I recommend practicing each of these skills one at a time until you can perform them well, and then begin to add them together in combinations. We're going to kick things off with the alternate leg skill or sprint skill. This is simply jogging in place with the rope. The thing that screws people up here is trying to go too fast. Start slow and find your tempo, then gradually add speed as you gain confidence. With all these skills, make sure you have little movement in your arms and you're getting your rope rotation mostly from your wrists. Next up is the boxer skip. This is a great skill that will help you jump for longer periods of time. It is a simple shift in weight from one foot to the other. Think of it as a 90-10 weight distribution between the foot you are jumping off and the other foot that mainly helps provide balance. Next is the forward shuffle or mummy kicks. This is a basic footwork where you are keeping your legs mostly straight and you alternate kicking each leg out in front of you. If you can do alternate leg, then this one should come pretty easy. Try playing with different patterns on how many times you jump on a leg to mix things up and make it more interesting. Side swings are one of my all-time favorite skills and one you need to become very good at. Here are a few rules of thumb with this skill. Whichever hand crosses your body when starting the side swing goes on the bottom. Keep your hands stacked as you swing from side to side. Do not twist your upper body, only move your hands. You can open to jump the rope when your top hand is across your body. Next is side taps. This skill is great for helping you develop your rope timing, since you have to have your feet centered when the rope passes in order not to trip up. Once you've mastered each one of these skills individually, then you can start putting them together and start developing your own little freestyles with them. If you are battling trip-ups, check out this video so you can understand the causes and make the right fix. I will see you in the next video.